Hello little wanderers, I'm excited to see you today. Are you ready to learn something new? This bird is very sweet and gentle. It rarely bites or harms with its beak. This bird is white or grey in color and is a symbol of peace and love. It is closely related to pigeons. Can you guess? Yes, it's a dove. Doves are birds known for their sweet and gentle nature. They are a symbol of peace. Doves are closely related to pigeons. They are smaller in size than pigeons. They are white, grey, black, and green in color. They can live anywhere, like in cities and jungles, but they don't live in areas like deserts and Arctic regions. Doves can live between 1 to 5 years. Doves build nests out of small sticks and twigs and lay their eggs. The female dove lays 1 or 2 eggs and incubates them for about 15 days. It mostly lays 2 eggs at a time. Baby doves are called squabs. Male and female doves feed their squabs. The squabs grow very fast. By 12 days old, squabs are big enough to leave their nests. The male or female dove will sit on their squab to keep them warm until they grow. When squabs grow enough to keep themselves warm, their parents leave the nest. There are different stages of development a dove goes through. They are hatchling, nestling, fledgling, juvenile, and adult. Doves mainly live their lives on the ground. They don't often fly high up into the trees or nests because they like being near water sources for food. Doves fly with the help of their wings. The wings are covered with feathers. They have strong shoulder bones and chest muscles that help them to fly. They first move their wings down and forward. It is to lift the body in the air. Doves can fly up to 55 miles per hour. That's as fast as a car. Their legs help them to walk, hop, and hold on to a branch while sitting. Doves make a cooing sound. They use their sense of smell to find food. Doves have a poor sense of taste. They have very good eyesight. Their vision is better than a human's vision. Doves can focus on only one thing at a time. Their ears are inside their heads. They can detect sounds from far away. Doves leave their nests and eggs if they feel threatened. They fly somewhere else to build a new nest. Doves do not have a nose. They have holes in their beaks that help them to breathe. Doves breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. They store oxygen in small sacs in their bodies to fly for a longer time. This breathing system helps them to stay upward and fly high. Doves' internal body temperature is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Doves eat seeds, grains, fruits, and berries. They also eat plants. Doves eat dropped seeds and collect them in their throat. Some doves also eat insects, spiders, flies, moths, and snails. Doves plunge their beaks into the water and suck it up. All other birds dip their beaks in the water and lift their heads. Doves have been used as messengers for many years to transfer messages from one place to another. Doves can look directly at the sun. Doves can fly up to 16 hours without sleep. The dove is considered a bird of peace in many countries. White doves are sometimes released in public ceremonies as a peace symbol. They can find their way home over long distances, sometimes hundreds or even thousands of kilometers. They don't ever fail to find the route to return to their homes. For more fun, explore Wonderland toys.